are leaving Nevada City to head to the bay to move the boat to the new dock. It's gonna take a while. Yep. Alright, well, we are back at the VJ Boatyard, and repairs have been completed. It's now raining. It's very windy. So this is the rudder mount right here that got reseated, and there's 3 bolts that go through to the inside, and then this back piece right here got some new fiberglass, and we reseated this prop shaft piece, and then inside there's a new dripless packing gland. We'll check that out. This boat just came out of the water, and we are next to go back in. We have to move the boat about a half a mile to a marina, and it's very windy. It's going to be really fun to land over there. I've never even gone in to that marina, so that should be fun. We'll see what all happens. We're on this crazy journey to get the boat moved 40 miles away, which is going to take us like a week because of weather and a new job and yada yada. But I think it's gonna leak. Arturo said I think it's gonna work. I don't think it's gonna leak. Arturo said if it leaks, he's gonna close the boatyard. They're about to haul this boat. It's kind of a beautiful boat. It's got a bunch of wood.
There's one seal alarm up in the front that somebody has pulled the wires.
It's a good sign for your haul out. So we are next on the crane. And they're washing this boat at the moment. And then I guess they're gonna take it away. It's a hotel by the freeway time. Alright, well, we're now at the Pittsburgh Marina, which is just around the way from the boatyard, and it has been stormy, but right now the wind, it died. It was crazy actually, and we couldn't move yesterday. Now this guy's got a sail up over there, testing it out. Alright, well, we are off. And I think we're gonna go all the way to the Brickyard today, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm just not 100% sure because of the wind. And we don't have a depth sounder because it we do have one, it just spontaneously stopped working. So that's gonna have to troubleshoot that. I tried a little here underway, and I'm not sure it's an underway project. But we do have the charts, and the navigation unit tells us how deep the water is. It's just nice to be able to compare the two. Yep, we have left Pittsburgh and we are headed towards the San Francisco Bay. We're kind of navigating around some shoals here to try to stay away from this bad boy. What is that? What's it say on there? Panther? The MGM Panther. We have just passed Martinez, and I'm making some tea because it's freezing outside. Well, I mean, it's 50 degrees and blowing. Yep. Alright, well, we just passed Benicia Point, over there, and we got off of our track, and you know, you can see the carquinas. Oh, this is fun. These are the first really big bridges. Oh, that's very fun. Looks like there's a ferry coming there. Alright, well, we can't really see this, can we? Oh yeah, we're doing 9.2. Which doesn't seem very fast, but this is very fast. This is the fastest the boat has ever gone since we've owned it. And this is because we are cruising with the tide here in the Carquinez Straits. All very fun. Awesome, we're approaching the bridges. The ferry went to Vallejo, which is through a channel there just beyond the bridge. And this is Glen Cove over here. This is where we were gonna go last week when the tides were a little different. But today, there's enough oomph in this tide to get us there. You can see the wind coming across the water here. There she is. The weather has been pretty good so far. We've had some wind, but we haven't had any rain yet, which was expected. And sunny. For now, it was kind of blowy and cold there for a little while. My toe got cold. This is Martinez. A bit of industry here in Martinez. Carquinez Strait. Here we are. It's a little breezy. We thought that this shipping boat right there was underway, but it is not. It is at a dock, which is nice because I didn't want to go under this bridge with it. Oh boy. Look at this bridge from the bottom. Sorry guys, you gotta steer. Look at this. That's kind of amazing. Cocoa Cat. A little wavy out here in the bay. A little wavy. There's big waves here in the bay. I'm gonna go and check on stuff inside. Well, we found ourselves in some bad conditions here in the bay. This is a very fun place. This is a bed and breakfast on this island. And there are some little waves here still. But conditions have drastically improved. Which is awesome. And we can see the Richmond Bridge, and we can see Red Rock Island is over there. Richmond Bridge. Here it is. And there's the Red Rock Island. It's raining and it's very windy. And it's slightly frowny faces actually. But we only have, let's see, about 47 minutes left. 3.82 miles to go. Crystal's getting us closer. We're now past the Richmond Bridge, just right over there, and we are going around Point Richmond. Well, visibility is not that good, but the conditions have actually improved here. We're almost there. We're a little over a mile and a half to go. You can see the city out here and the Bay Bridge and the guy's sailing. We slowed down and let him go by us because we're in a little channel here. And you can even see the Golden Gate over here, barely.